How to get notes feature on Instagram on iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, what you can do is open your Play Store or App Store. You will need to update your Instagram app to its latest version. So search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you can see the option of install or open. In the case you find the option of install, all you have to do is tap on that option of install and update your Instagram app to its latest version. If you see the option of open, it means your Instagram app is up to date. You can see that mine is up to date, so it is showing the option of open. After you update your Instagram app, tap on the option of open. Now you will land to the home page. Now what you can do is you have to make sure you have enabled activity status on your Instagram account. For that, head towards your profile. At the top right corner, you will be able to see these three bars. Tap on it. Go to the option of settings. Go to the option of privacy. Now from here, select the option of activity status. Open it. And make sure you have toggle on for both of these options. Now you are good to go. You can go back and check if you have got this note feature on your Instagram or not. If this doesn't work, then what you can do is you can report a problem. For that, head towards profile again. Tap on three bars given at the top right corner. Select the option of settings. Scroll down, you can see the option of help. Tap on it. Select the option of report a problem. Tap on the option of report problem without checking. Tap on include and continue. Now over here you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can just explain as I have done it. Hello Instagram support, there is no note feature in my Instagram. Please help me get note feature in my Instagram as soon as possible and thank you. And then you can tap on the option of send. Now Instagram will get back to you within few hours or days. You just have to wait. This is how you can get note feature on your Instagram account on iPhone. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.